Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making my chocolate peppermint crunch cupcake. They're going to be a moist, fluffy, deep, rich chocolate cupcake topped with a fluffy peppermint buttercream frosting and sprinkled with crushed candy canes for a nice, delightful crunch. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe with everything you need so you can bake these cupcakes with confidence. And be sure to stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about my KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. Now let's go ahead and get started on some delicious chocolate cupcakes. First up, you want to grab about a medium-sized bowl for your dry ingredients, and you want to begin to add in 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of white granulated sugar, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to go ahead and give those a quick little whisk. So really make sure to just get everything fully incorporated. All that cocoa powder, the flour, the sugar, all that good stuff. There we go, perfect. So let's go ahead and set this aside. We're gonna grab another bowl, slightly larger, and this is gonna be for all of our wet ingredients. So first up, you wanna add in 1/4 cup sour cream, 1/2 cup buttermilk, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of fresh brewed coffee, and your peppermint extract. Now same thing, we want to go in with our whisk and get those ingredients nice and combined. And you really want to try to make sure to break up those egg yolks. And once those are nice and mixed, you want to go ahead and you want to add them right into your dry ingredients. So let's grab those, and we're just going to pour it right in. And you get that nice aroma of peppermint. It's my favorite. I love it. So definitely feel free to be obnoxious with it if you want to. But if you know the people around you aren't going to like a lot of peppermint, you could definitely lessen it to maybe a teaspoon or 2. All up to you. I'm a big fan of peppermint and chocolate, so definitely a lot of peppermint. Perfect. Now all we have to do is the final mix. You want to blend these together for about a minute or 2 until you have a nice, smooth chocolate cupcake batter. Is to transfer this to our lined cupcake pan, and you want to fill each cupcake well to about 2/3 of the way full, because they will rise just a wee bit and we don't want them to spill over. And we'll top off our last one, just a little bit. Perfect, all done. Now we are ready for the oven. So let's grab our cupcake pan and pop those in the oven at 350 degrees and let bake for a good 15 to 20 minutes or until your cake tester comes out clean. Once your cupcakes have baked and cooled, you can wrap them in some sparkly cupcake collars because you know, the holidays. Why not? Make it a little sparkly, and then get ready to top and decorate with some crushed candy canes. So we're gonna put them on our cake stand, and we're gonna just pipe on some buttercream. You can do little rosettes all around, and then dip each cupcake into crushed candy canes. Once you're done topping with your peppermint buttercream and your crushed candy canes, you will have one delicious cupcake to celebrate the holidays. Oh, I can't wait to eat this. It's gonna be so good. Well, thank you all for stopping by. I had so much fun showing you how to make my chocolate peppermint crunch cupcakes. If you're a fan of peppermint and chocolate together like I am, or all things cupcakes, definitely be sure to give a like on this video. Helps me out, lets me know I'm posting up recipes you all like, you enjoy, and you want to see more of. And if you want even more delicious, simple recipes that you can bake with confidence, definitely be sure to subscribe down below and click the bell so you don't miss out every time I post a new video. Like maybe some more delicious chocolate peppermint desserts? I don't know, maybe, I do know, it's gonna. Plus, I still have 19 KitchenAid sandwiches to give away. So if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below with the link. Lastly, don't forget, if you make your own delicious chocolate peppermint inspired dessert, especially around the holidays, give a tag on Instagram. You know, let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna eat my cupcake, grab a cup of coffee, enjoy the day, enjoy the weather. I hope you all get to do the same. And as always, I will see you all in the next video very, very soon. Bye.